Guys, Christmas is done and we are into the new year. So what do we all think about after a week of Christmas indulgence? Yeah, getting fit. And a great way to get started is with one of these. This is a 2-in-1 folding motorized treadmill from Home Fitness Code, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yeah, come January, for most of us, the one thing on our minds after Christmas is getting fit. Gym memberships go up, as does home fitness gear purchases. Now, sometimes this can be pretty expensive, but you know what? It doesn't have to be. This 2-in-1 folding motorized treadmill from Home Fitness Code could be the answer to your New Year's fitness goals. Now, before we get into it, guys, Home Fitness Code sent me this treadmill to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you follow my channel, you'll know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So guys, let's get it out of the box and just see how it performs. So guys, this took just a few minutes to set up. Just lift the complete treadmill out of the box because it's pretty much assembled already, and lift up the handle, screw in the nuts, 2 nuts, and you are good to go. Now, in the bag, you've got some instructions. You've also got some lubricating oil and an Allen key and a remote controller. Now, point to note, there are no batteries supplied in this remote controller, so you're going to have to grab yourself a couple of pen lights to get going. Now, I already have a bit of a gym setup, but the beauty of this treadmill is it's small, light, and you can pop it anywhere for storage, so you don't really need a dedicated space. Now, at 23 kilos, it's not super light, but it's very manageable, and it has some rollers on the front for easy maneuvering. Also guys, even though I have a home gym, working from home always makes me think that I will exercise later, but the reality is later never comes. So one of the great features of this treadmill is you can use it without the handle. You can pop it under your desk, especially if you've got one of those fancy sit-stand desks, and you can walk while you work. Now, if you do use the handle, it has got all of your fixed controls for speed and for presets and all of the other stuff. It also houses this safety connector. You obviously clip, oh, come here. You obviously clip the other end to your clothing. It's magnetic, and guys, detaching this will shut off the motor. And if you don't connect it, you'll also get an error code. You also have a little slot here where you can pop in a phone or a tablet to while away your exercise time, and switches and connectors are absolutely minimal. You just plug it into the mains, you've got a red power switch on the front at the bottom, and that's it. You are good to go. Now, the Allen key will enable you to tighten or loosen the belt to ensure that everything is working to the best of its ability. And again, with the lubricating oil, you can just put a little bit underneath the mat, the belt if you need to, and again, you are good to go. So that is all the servicing that this requires. You also have a couple of adjusters on the bottom, so if you haven't got a completely flat floor, you can make the necessary tweaks as you see fit. Now guys, a point to note here is the treadmill can support a person of around 110 kilos, which is around 17 stone in old money. Speed-wise, you can walk or run from 1 kilometre an hour to 10 kilometres an hour. The controls, as I said, are pretty simple. You just press the on-off button to start. You've got a 3 or a 6 kilometre preset, and you have your speed up and down buttons, so you can just pick whatever speed you want from there. On the remote, you have the power on off button, you've got your speed plus and minuses, and you've got this mode button here which cycles through speed, time, calories, and a preset 30-minute timer, which using the up or down buttons you can adjust that timer to suit. And all of this, guys, can be seen on the display on the belt itself. Now, usage, well, I found that it was fairly quiet. And you know what, when both walking and running, it felt pretty solid given its portability. When running, at times it kind of felt like the platform was a little bit short. But again, because of the portability of it, the dimensions of it are, you know, smallish at 122 centimeters by 49 centimeters by 14 centimeters. But to be honest, once you get going with it, you get used to it pretty quickly. And if you do feel that, you know, when you're kind of running on it, you feel like it's a bit short, then run faster. But actually, like I said, it's not that much shorter. So yeah, I think it just felt like it. But guys, there you have it. This is just what you need to kick off your 2023 fitness goals. It's hugely functional, it's easy to use, set up and store. It's quiet, and more importantly, it will not break your bank balance. At a current sale price of less than £220, this motorized treadmill is going to definitely fit in with both your lifestyle and your bank balance. So guys, I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. If you have any comments or questions, then please leave those in the comments section. If you like the video, guys, please subscribe and give it a like. And guys, thanks to you for watching, and thanks to Home Fitness Code for sending me this very useful and much needed product. Guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.